Hi everyone! It's been a while. I have hair again. That's how long it's been. I just need to do this real quick. Welcome show choir girls. Hi, newbies, oldies, hello. I'm Dawson. I'm going to be going through the makeup look for Midwest Express and Midwest Magic this year. I've already done the rest of my face. If you want a more in-depth tutorial on that, feel free, message me. I'll link all my personal contact info down below. If you want more in-depth or have any questions, you can also contact Megan Pettis about that. Or just go back to my other videos. I go through a lot of foundation stuff then. But if you have anything that you need to know, just shout it out. I'll be like, yeah. Anyway, let's get started. So using the Wet n Wild Nude Awakening palette for this look today, I've already prepped and primed my eyes. They are set to go, and I'm going to first start with this top transition shade as the lighter one on a fluffier crease brush, and I'm going to take that right on the crease and start to blend it up toward the eyebrow and in the crease. Next, I'm going to be taking this more bottom transition color on a more smaller crease brush. I have a lot of crease brushes, they're kind of my favorite. And then I'm going to just take the product right in the crease and start to darken it a bit. Slowly blending and buffing up using very light windshield motions and small circular actions. And as you can see, it's starting to deepen it up already. Now I'm only taking it to kind of 2/3 of the crease because we're going to leave this open lid space for the rest of the gold pigment. Next, we're going to go in with this more burgundy shade and go on the actual crease part itself now and just give it that color of the burgundy that we want. And this one you can take a little closer to the front just so it gives you your eye a little more definition. See, just a little flush of color in there. And last step for the crease is taking a very small brush and a tiny bit, tap off any excess of the black and slightly smoke it into the inner part of the crease and slightly onto the lash line. This will give you a lifted appearance as well as deepening the crease just a little more and give you that extra sultry look. If you're finding you may have overdone it just a little too much with the black, you can always go back into the burgundy or the transition shades and just kind of help blend it a bit more. And honestly, if you want to, go back if you can, if you have time. Know how crazy it can be. Do go back and blend more with the other colors because that will give you a more seamless blend. So starting on the lid, taking this kind of darker burgundy color, I'm going to just put it kind of towards the outer V just to give me a little bit of a blend into where we're going to put the gold, as well as giving it that shimmer and the lift. So this part is a little more optional if you find that you don't have enough lid space, or if you just want a little extra pop on there. Take a little bit of concealer on a brush and just kind of carve out where we're going to be putting that gold pigment. Then taking the eyeshadow pigment from L'Oreal, this is 888 Iced Latte. We're going to take this and pop it on a brush and then on our eye. There, now that you have the gold on the eye, I'm just gonna take this pigment here, a little more rosier, and gonna put it back by where it connects to the gold and the lash line and blend up. This will just connect more of the crease to the lid. So So this palette does have quite a bit of fallout. If you have a problem with that, I would recommend putting a setting powder or some other type of powder underneath your eyes so when you're done, it will catch it and then you can just wipe it away. So starting on the lower lash line, I'm going to take the burgundy shade from this palette on a more detailed brush and start to go under here and smoke it out, connecting up to the corner of the eye. Then on a smudge brush, I'm going to take the black ever so slightly and put it on my lower lash line. Then going in with a black gel liner, I'm just going to put this on my waterline to close that out and finish that up. Next, taking whatever method you prefer for your liner, I'm going to just put on a little wing quick. Now that I have the eyeshadow done and the liner, I'm just gonna go in with a bit of mascara here quick, just so when we add the fake lashes, they will blend into them. Now this is probably the most difficult part, is putting on your fake lashes. If you need help with them, please ask. Someone will be able to help you. It is sometimes easier to put it on someone else rather than yourself. I will just say that. If you're looking for a good glue recommendation, I really like this Duo one. It's the brush on type, just because it's not gonna be as smelly, it's not gonna gunk up your lashes as much when you take it off, and it will still stay on very well. So I'm just going to pop these on real quick and be right back. And ladies, this is why we add a fake lash, because, yeah, and ba-bam. Just saying. And just a little trick and hack, if you want an extra highlighter, feel free and take this and just liberally apply it, because it's pretty. As well, just a little tip, taking on a small detail brush, taking the lighter shadow and going on the inner corner, and brow bone will give you a lift and shine, and it's beautiful. What can I say? So then you're going to go in with your lipstick. This is the Revlon Ultra HD Matte Lip Color in Passion, or 635. And then I'll just take the wand itself. You can choose to use a lip liner if you so want to. It will help extend the wear of it, I will say that. But then you just go in defining the lip. And with the lip on, I like to go in after with my setting spray and just douse my face. So this is the final look, you guys. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me, Megan Pettis, like I said in the beginning. If you need anything, feel free and ask the other girls. They are more than willing to help. The seniors, you know, you gotta help them out. For you newbies, hello, thank you. It's gonna be a fun time. Ask questions, make mistakes. If you need anything, contact me with my contact info below. To my regular watchers out there and subscribers, hi, I do have more content coming soon. And we'll get the ball rolling with this. So I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Producers.